95.3 FM.
CCA World Radio.
Crackles and Gaff with ya Monday morning. Hey Gaff,
Yes.
quite often me and you,
Yep.
because we're twins.
Yeah, they look at us and they go, "You don't look like twins.
No,
You just look like brothers."
or foster kids.
Do you have different mums or dads?
Yeah, me and Gaff are twins, but we're fraternal, so that means one of us could be a woman,
Yep.
but we're not.
Same genitalia.
Yeah.
Similar voice.
Yep.
So who's talking now?
Who's this one?
Is that Gaffer?
Is that Crackles? Who's that? Confusing, isn't it? You're on
Yeah.
your radio going, what
the hell are these two?
How is one of them doing a voice like so quickly? So me and Gav decided there is another way maybe around this, Jeff. We can trick people because identical twins have that awesome ability where they can walk into a room,
Yep.
walk back out, the other one comes in, everyone's none the wiser.
Yep.
The only way around this is to use our voices.
Yep.
It's the only thing that's very similar.
We wanted to have the opportunity
Yep.
to do what other twins do.
Yep.
We couldn't do it ordinarily.
No.
So we called some people we know,
Mm-hmm.
and we tried to convince them that we were the other twin.
That's
so
it.
Crackles would be me,
Yep.
and I'd be Crackles.
That's it.
Yeah.
So this is how I went down.
Hello.
Hey, B.
Hello.
Hello. Hey.
Doing?
How you doing? Just in the neighbourhood on the phone kind of thing, and was wondering, B, you still doing? Yeah. Hey,
Well,
are you still doing haircuts?
is this Craig or Jeff?
No, it's Gaffer.
It isn't. This is Craig.
B, it's Gaffer.
Don't make me put Murray on the...
Damn you. Fail, Jeff.
Epic fail, Crackles.
She picked me out of everything.
I know. It's just, you just tried to put on too much of a me voice, you know?
Yeah, I should have just been
A bit more relaxed.
Right, I should have put myself in like a moment where I was lonely and no one was around me, because that's how you do Jeff voice.
That's how I...
Well, let's see how Gaffer went.
Hey, mate.
Hey, Bruno, what's up, man?
What's going on?
Oh, not a lot, bro. What are you up to tonight?
I am sitting in...
Boy, you should come down to our place. You know
What are
where
you doing?
Gaffer and Crawfie live.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're down there, and we're just watching some movies. But you can't bring the alcohol though, because we're having a boys' night in.
It's going to be a massive effort for me to get there.
Dude, but it'll be sick. Croft's like hell looking for you. He wants it. The Black Swan. We're watching the Black Swan.
The Black is in the movie that's in the cinemas right now.
Oh, Bruno, man, we've got The Notebook as well. Seriously.
Oh, lovely. That would be all time.
Nah, it's wicked, man. And we've also got like the Black Swan. So also there's no drinking, man. So it's gonna be sick. We
that's
can help
alright.
bond better. Like when we're just sitting there drinking, we don't, So you should come.
Get rowdy.
Yeah. And we can just do like the drink without the drinking, and we can
What about if we organise another weekend, like in the next couple of weeks? Because I won't be doing anything next couple of weeks. So what happens if we organise next couple of weeks? That way I've got plenty of time, bit of notice.
All right. And what we'll do, like when we come down to that one, when you come down, because that'll be sick. We'll have heaps of popcorn, and we'll have we'll wear our jammies. What do
Definitely.
you reckon? Do you reckon that'd be sick?
Boxer shorts.
Yeah, do you reckon that'd be a good idea? I reckon it'd be cool, man. It'd be like a girls' night in, but boys. You know what I mean?
Like a big boy slumber party.
Yeah, but there's, it'll be awesome. But there's no girls allowed though, and we no drinks either. Because that way we
That's
can
all
help
right.
bond more. Like with chicks there, man, you're all like talking and kissing and stuff. But if there's just us, man, we can be hell better mates. Like eventually we can just hang out more and stuff. Because we don't see you much anymore.
Definitely. No, I'm keen for that. Just let me know when you're keen, and
Yeah.
I can organise it better with me. So
Yeah, all right,
give
dude.
me a bit of
And
notice, and we'll do it.
yeah, eventually we'll be like best friends, BBFs. Like eventually, like we will be, man. And seriously, forever and ever.
Okay, all right, man.
All right, dude. Give me a
let
call
know.
later on.
Definitely, man.
All right,
see you, mate.
dude. See ya. Bye.
Yes, Gaff.
Success. Crackles, an awkward Crackles, but a Crackles nonetheless.
Gaffer, mate, you deserve the applause. You convinced Bruno that a slumber party watching The Notebook was on the cards.
PJs, all sorts of goodies.
I say well done. We can still do it, Gaff. Can still pull off the identical twin. Absolutely. Spiraling Kian, Crackles and Gaff with you.